finito.
Wait a second, boys. He's white.
I'm sorry, officer. I was just so busy playing League of Legends.
All right, I've heard enough. Deadly force authorized.
Oh, fuck.
I wrote a blog post a while ago about why I f***ing hate video games, because this is what it does. It appeals to like the male fantasy.
Swap over. Yes! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
Go on an adventure. The thing of my jigger is up and away. Go, go, go.
The juice is loose.
Oh my god, a guy wearing a skirt, such femboy, much kawaii, nuzzles your bulgy woolgy, wow!
Who the fuck are you? How did you get in here? Then you get the fun up of this, and you Pierre me.
That the Germans have set up concentration camps. Anyone here been camping? Some of you? Yep, some of you. What's the deal with camping? Spend loads of money to be homeless for a week. Anyway, genocide.
Time to evil jerk off.
Yo! Look at me, Squire!
Fuck that guy's mom. Roger that. On my way to fuck that guy's mom. Mayday, mayday, this you got two dads.
Oh boy, my favorite seat. Excuse me, do you mind?
Dude, this car's ass!
The humdinger pedophile. Yeah. Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird. The bird's a winner when the bird. Bird is a winner when the bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird. The bird's a winner when the bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird. The bird's a winner when the bird. The bird's a winner when the bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird. The bird's a winner.
Everyone, stop firing! We're shooting at our own men!
One more bad break.
Nothing brightens a dark room like light from a window. Time to open the window! Spy! Do you know Candace? Throwing grenade! God damn
It's perfect. First I raised your brother. Now I raise you. Skibbity, my friend.
Go to hell.
Look at you. Look at the Sigmas you've become. Look at how Elriz you are. How Skibbity Toilet you are. You are woke among sussy soy jacks. I gave you cats in Ohio.
What do you mean you lost the baby? Go find it.
See, Patty, when I was a kid, my grandpa was a Great Depression survivor, and he wouldn't waste any amount of food. So he taught me I had to eat the apple core. And I started eating the whole apple in grade school, and the kids called me Horse Boy. Did the kids stop at any point since day one? Nay, they did not.
You surprised me.
I mean, with direction and magnitude. Oh yeah! Oh, I got your fucking nuts off!
So to protect the baby and prevent it from eating a pod, the box deploys a 30,000 volt taser.
John, you see the problem here. No one can hear you?
Oh yeah, land of the free. So why can't I rinse my balls in the Burger King soda dispenser?
Fuck, you're attractive. I'm a minor.
Don't leave too soon, cause my world is clouds and gray. When you're halfway to LA, I say
racism, let's do that shit, huh? Come on, if you're racist and you know it, clap your hands. What the fuck?